Thinking about adding the 2021 BMW M4 G82 to your garage? You're not alone. This stunning sports coupe offers a thrilling driving experience combined with luxury and practicality. The UK recommended retail price for the G82 M4 starts at approximately £71,000 for the standard model and around £80,000 for the competition variant. But before you take the plunge, have you considered what it actually costs to own one? In this video, we'll break down the running costs associated with the M4, covering everything from insurance to fuel, tires, servicing, brakes, car tax, and potential repairs. Let's get into it. The 2021 BMW M4 G82 is powered by a robust 3.0-litre twin-turbo inline-six engine, delivering an exhilarating 473 brake horsepower in the standard model and a staggering 503 brake horsepower in the competition variant. It sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds for the standard model, while the competition model achieves it in an impressive 3.8 seconds, which is enough to keep up with most sports cars on the road. This is a car that excels on both the track and the open road, but owning one comes with its own set of financial responsibilities. So, how much can you expect to pay? Let's start with insurance. Insurance for the M4 can be quite high, as it falls into Insurance Group 50. You can expect annual premiums to range between £1,200 and £2,400. Of course, your age, driving history, and location will influence these rates, but be prepared for higher costs for this high-performance vehicle. Now let's talk about car tax. The M4 falls into a higher tax bracket due to its emissions. For the 2021 model, you will pay around £2,135 in the first year, thanks to its CO2 emissions of 224 grams per kilometre. After the first year, the standard annual rate is £165. However, because the M4 is considered an expensive vehicle, there's an additional luxury car tax for cars priced over £40,000. This adds an extra £355 per year for the first 5 years after the first registration. This means that for the first 5 years, you could be looking at approximately £520 annually for car tax. Now, let's discuss fuel. The 2021 M4 isn't the most fuel-efficient car out there. BMW claims a combined fuel economy of around 28 miles per gallon. But in real-world driving, you might see figures closer to 22 to 24 miles per gallon, especially if you enjoy unleashing its power. With petrol prices averaging around £1.50 per litre in the UK, filling the 59-litre tank will cost you approximately £90 to £100. If you drive enthusiastically, you may find yourself refueling more often than you anticipate. The M4 comes equipped with high-performance tires, such as the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. A full set of 4 tires will cost around £1,200 to £1,600, including fitting. If you're only replacing 2, expect to pay about £600 to £800. These tires are designed for performance and won't last as long as standard ones. Budget for replacements every 10,000 to 15,000 miles, depending on your driving style. The M4 has a service interval of every 10,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. A minor service typically costs around £300 to £500, covering essential maintenance like oil changes and inspections. However, a major service, which occurs every 20,000 miles, can range from £700 to £1,200, as it includes more extensive work like spark plug replacements and fluid changes. Don't forget about the brake fluid, which needs changing every 2 years at approximately £150 to £200. Additionally, the M4's high-performance brakes may require more frequent attention, especially if driven aggressively. The M4 is equipped with exceptional braking systems, featuring either standard M compound brakes or optional carbon ceramic brakes for those who demand the best performance. Replacing the front brake pads will cost around £400 to £600, while the rear pads are slightly less expensive. If you need to replace the discs, expect costs of around £800 to £1,200 per axle for the standard brakes, and significantly more for the carbon ceramic option, which can run upwards of £3,000 per axle. Now let's discuss potential common issues. Like all high-performance cars, the M4 can have its share of challenges. One common issue is with the cooling system, particularly if the car is regularly driven hard. Repairs can cost anywhere from £500 to £1,500, depending on the extent of the damage. Another concern is with the electronics, especially the infotainment system and driver assistance features. Repairs can vary widely, but budgeting around £300 to £800 is a good idea for potential fixes. Regular maintenance can help mitigate these risks, but it's wise to budget for unexpected repairs. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at some rivals to the BMW M4 that you might want to consider. First up is the Mercedes-AMG C63 Coupe, known for its powerful V8 engine and luxurious interior. It's a great choice for those who prioritize comfort alongside performance. Another alternative is the Audi RS5, which offers all-wheel drive for enhanced stability and traction, making it a solid option for those who drive in varied conditions. Then there's the Porsche 911 Carrera, a classic sports car that delivers exceptional handling and a thrilling driving experience, albeit at a higher price point. Lastly, the Ford Mustang Mach-1 provides a more affordable yet powerful alternative, offering an engaging driving experience with a distinct American muscle car character. Each of these options has its unique strengths, so it's worth considering what features matter most to you when making your decision. So there you have it, the 2021 BMW M4 G82 is an extraordinary car that combines thrilling performance with luxury. However, owning one does come with significant costs. From insurance to fuel, tires, servicing, car tax, and potential repairs, the expenses can add up quickly. In summary, expect to spend around £3,000 to £4,500 annually on brakes, tires, and servicing alone. While it's a substantial investment, you're getting a performance car that delivers an unrivaled driving experience. If you're ready for these expenses, the M4 can be a dream come true. Just ensure your budget is as prepared as your driving skills. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's your dream car? And would you take the leap with a BMW M4? See you in the next one. Thanks for watching Rev Club.